beautiful people. I'm Katia with Lunar Sun Creations. Welcome to my channel. Hello. I am currently at the restaurant that I work at. We're not open right now, but this is our patio and this is my view every day, and I just feel so grateful for that, and I wanted to share that with you. I'm a pretty lucky lady that gets to like look at this gorgeousness all day, and there's like the mountains over there, and oh, it's just such a beautiful place to live. It's on the Sunshine Coast in BC. I love it. Anyway, today I have the walkthrough of my latest mini album to share with you. This one is using my own paper collection, my first digital paper collection called Flowers and Feathers. Very excited about this one. It took me forever to figure out the, like cutting into the papers was really hard for this one just because it was my own thing, so I wanted to be perfect, and it took me a little while, but I did it, and now I'm sharing it with you. And there will be a 4, possibly 5-part free tutorial on this album on my YouTube channel. I haven't completely finished editing all the footage yet, so I think it's going to be 4 parts, but if the last part ends up being too long, I might switch it up to 5 parts. Alright, so I hope you love the walkthrough of this album, and the tutorial will be coming very soon. Part 1 hopefully will be out in 2 days, which should be Wednesday. So look for that, and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I do put up a video. And I hope you're having an incredible day. I know I am. The sun is shining, so it's going to be lovely today. Alright, love you all very much. I hope you're doing well. Stay safe, and big hugs. Bye. Okay folks, here is the album. It's fairly thick, as most of my albums are. On either side it's got some of the transparent kind of Yupo paper, vellum-y stuff that I used in my alcohol ink tutorial, like the some of the finger painting techniques that I used in the backgrounds for a lot of these paper designs. Okay, let's just get into it. I'm not even gonna keep talking and doing all the things. So this is magnetized and opens up like that, and then just to kind of cover the magnets, I've got some little fussy cut flowers and feathers. And on the first pages, so I left the inside, front and back covers fairly plain. Just some really cool sticker embellishments here. They kind of look like stained glass. I love them. And a couple of those stickers over here as well. And then this is from the cut aparts, one of the little flowers, just to like indicate that this pulls down. So this goes down like that. And then these go to the sides, and this lifts up, and there's some border strips and stuff up there, and then another of the image. This is the one from the 8.5 by 11, and this is from the 12 by 12. Okay, so on to the next pages. So now we kind of move into the pinks. So this is the pull out from a large pocket here, and a little metal bit just to like signify that it does something and pulls out. On the inside I just left it really simple, so you can just put 4 photos there, and then same on the back, but there is a magnet on the back of this so that when you slip it into the pocket it magnetizes in place and it won't fall out while you're playing with the album. This flower over here is left open. This is not from the collection. This is from another ephemera pack, so it's left open so you can put a photo under there. And then this opens to the side, and then this opens to the side, and this is a pop-up sticker that says "You are amazing, remember that." And that closes up like that and like that. So now the pages repeat. So those are the 2 page designs. That's the basic page design. And now they repeat, but then each time I kind of add something different. So again, this pulls down, but this time I have it pulling, I have these parts at the top, and then I've added an extra part, so now this lifts up as well. Again, this flower is left open so you can put a photo there. So this lifts up now as well, and then this part goes down. All right. And then on the next set of pages, so this is a little dream catcher, a wire dream catcher that I made. There is a tutorial on this as well. And I'm gonna put all the videos that are linked with this project, I'm gonna put them all in a playlist, and then put the playlist link down in the description box below, and maybe at the end of the video as well, so then anything that is related to this album and the paper line and etc. I will put all of it in the same playlist, and then you can find things easily. Alright, so this is that same page, that pocket page, but again I added it and flipped it all around. So instead of the pocket going this way, I've got it going this way. Again, it's magnetized. And then on the, oh, I didn't do anything on the inside of this one. This one's just plain. And then over here, I've got a little flap that does that, and then this opens up and opens up again, and then same on the other side. So it's like a, what do you call it? Accordion. So it's like an accordion fold. And then this still opens up like that, and then this opens up like that. So I just kept kind of adding little elements and things just to show you that, you know, there's the basis of the page design is the same, but things can be switched around and added to, etc. Alright, and then I've got some metal flowers over here as swing tabs. Move those out of the way, and then this goes down, and then I've fussy cut around the image here so that it could be a little pocket, and the pocket's like completely hidden. You can't even tell it's a pocket until you put something in it. So I love that. And then over here we've got our 2 gatefold pieces, but then I put a feather here just to kind of hide the seam so you can't really tell that it's a gatefold. So that opens like that. And then this opens up, and I just did some paper piecing and a little feather border there, and these are all from the cut-aparts of the collection. Oops. Awesome. And then on the last page, so another one of the pocket pages, and I think I put, yes, I kind of decorated the inside there. These are also cut aparts, and then these are little bits. I used a few bits from the alcohol ink backgrounds that I made for the papers. And then that opens to the side, and that opens to the side, so I went back to the basics on this one. And then just some little flowers in the corner and where those stickers. And then that magnetizes back into place, and just a simple back cover. Okay, and then you close that up and kind of let it magnetize back into place. And then you open this side, and we start with fresh page designs on the other side of the album. Alright, so over here, working with the blues now. This is just a, it's not, it's just decorative, is what I'm trying to say. That opens up like that, this goes down, and then this goes to the side. And then the whole thing opens up to the side, and then big spaces for photos here. And then I used a feather stamp and just did some fussy cut out the feathers because I didn't have a die cut for it, and then used some perfect pearls on them to give a funky little impression of the feathers. And so these open like this and then open up. I just left this blank for a photo with your little border strip. And then on the other side it does the same thing. And then I've got a ribbon in here, and this one is functional. And this opens up like that for a whole bunch more room for photos. Okay, and then onto the next pages. Alright, so over here, this part lifts up. And then over here we've got this part swings out of the way, so you can add a photo there, and then magnetizes back into place. And then it also opens to the side, and then this part opens to the top, and this part opens to the bottom. And then another one of the alcohol ink backgrounds in there. And then this part also, when this is open, this whole part also opens to the side. Oh, ha, funny, I didn't adhere that. I guess I was gonna do some border strips. Just imagine that that is there with some border strips. That was the plan. Apparently I missed that part. All right, and then close that back up, and then these go in there. That closes up like that. And then on the next page, so this is magnetized on one side and adhered on the other side, and this opens up like that. And then these both go up. And then they also open to the center, and each one of these is a pocket. More of the alcohol ink backgrounds. And then the whole thing also opens to the sides. Okay, and then on the last pages, sorry if my voice is all raspy, I just worked 2 doubles at the restaurant, and trying to enunciate through a thick mask is really hard, and I'm actually like starting to lose my voice a little bit because I was trying so hard to like speak through a mask for 10-hour shifts. So if you're wondering why my voice sounds a little funny, that's why. Okay, and then the last 2 pages, these open to the top and the bottom. So again, these pages are repeating, but just doing a little bit. I've done a couple different elements on the different sets of pages. Okay, and then that opens to the side. Used a few of the border strips here. I love the border strips. I'm really about them. And then over here, again, these open like that. This time I didn't do the pockets. This is like the base model, these last 2. Oh, no, actually, it's not. This is the part. This one, I went up instead. And that opens to the side, and then I really wanted to use it somewhere as a mirror image, so I did that. So I mean, you could cover up the flowers, or you could put photos on the sides, or you could put one photo in the center and kind of cut it, but I just really loved the way that looked together, so that's why it's a full page of that. And then these also, oh, I missed, these also go to the sides like that. Okay, and that is that. So I'm not sure what you call these kinds of albums, the ones that go all the way one way and then you just keep going on the other direction. Whatever this album is, there is a free tutorial. The first part will be coming out, today is Monday, so the first part will be coming out on Wednesday, so look for that. And I hope you love it, and it's going to be, I believe, a 5-part tutorial. So keep checking the playlist because I will be adding as I release the parts of the tutorial, I'll be adding them to the flowers and feathers playlist. So if you just favorite that playlist, then you'll, every time you check it, it should, I think it updates. Alright, anyway, I hope you love it. I love it. I think it turned out fantastic. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more fun videos like this. And I love you all. Stay safe and have an amazing day. Find your rainbow. Bye.